Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my Boxycharm by IPSY for December 2024, the last box of the year. Just wanted to remind everyone that starting January 2025, the Boxycharm subscription will increase from $30 to $32 a month. Just an FYI. So let's see what we have. All, you know all the information for this, box. Get 5 full-size beauty products. We get to customize 3 out of the 5. You can get the Beauty Boost for an additional $15 a month. And I do get the Beauty Boost because I do think it's worth it. So here you get a pamphlet. It's Unwrapped Joy is the theme for December. And let's just move right along. I just wanted to, I know I said it in my IPSY PR, but I wanted to mention it specifically for this box. I did choose another palette in my own box. This is my paid box, so I will share one. I will keep one and share one, but I'll show you this palette one more time. I have so many products to share. I have probably 4 boxes of products to share. So this is this is the Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette. I'll just open it so you guys can see it right here. So I will probably share this one, or share one. I haven't touched either one yet. So we'll repackage it back up and leave it secure. And I will share one and keep one for myself. Here I have from LYS. This is Secure Brow. I think I have their brow products. Still have anything from them? And this is medium brown. Let's open this up. Oh. It's probably not the proper way to open it, but we're gonna. It can't be. We're gonna open it. Oh, why can't I not get this open? There we go. We'll open it one way or another. Just destroy the whole top. Okay. Nice. Now I don't have any of their brow products. Nice. All the design. Medium brown. So it's a, pencil here. Let's see what it looks like. It needs to be warmed up. That's not a bad medium brown. I could use that. It's right there. Okay. Is there a spoolie on the other end? And a spoolie on the other end, which I love when they're together. You can still wash this spoolie. I just, like, if the spoolie's this way, when I dry it, I just lean it up against, like, my sink and let everything drain out. Because I still wash them. They can get pretty gross, personally. So I'm happy with that. That's nice. I have from Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet. And I have Peachy Nude. Not sure if I have this one. Oh no, this is not. I don't have this. Wow. Nice, right there. I don't think I have any of these, do I? I don't think so. Right here, nice little spoolie. Let's give that a. And that's definitely a matte. That's right there. Definitely a peachy nude. And that, I don't know how drying these are. Would have to obviously wear it and find out. Lip Velvet. I'm not mad at that either. Good brands. What do we have here from Clark's? Oh, that is the Beauty Boost. So I think I chose this. The Benefit Professionals. This is good cleanup. I do like this. And I have had full size and received samples, but this is really, really nice. Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I think it works pretty well. And I love Benefit, so I'm not unhappy with that. And then I have something wrapped up. I don't know. I honestly don't remember what's in any of these. Dermalectives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. Oh, I'm happy to try that. I know I don't have that. Anything collagen, I'm all for it. And then my Beauty Boost was from Clark's Botanicals. Jasmine Vital Healing Cream. Right here. Let's open this up and see. This was supposed to be like super expensive, and like, not something that I could see myself repurchasing because of the price. I think it was like $100 and some, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the container. Like, I mean, I get it. It's a healing cream. But, and there's the cream right there. So I'm just going to touch the end right there. I don't see, unless it's, feels nice. I like that it's not a heavy cream. The scent, there is a scent, but it's almost smells citrus. Jasmine, vital. I don't smell, unless that's jasmine, but that's in. Like, I'm not greasy at all, and that's absorbed. Okay, I'll give that a shot. Like I said, I won't be repurchasing it because I think it was like $100 and some. I'm like, I don't think so. I'm like, that's way out of my budget. Like, I could get 2 or 3 moisturizers or creams for that price. Probably most excited for this. I love the palette because I do use them and collect them. The brow is nice. The lipstick is nice. The lip velvet. You know, this is a cult favorite of mine. So I'm not unhappy with anything in here. And, you know, I will give this a fair shot and see what I think. Like I said, if you got it in your box for a beauty boost, awesome. Because, you know, there's just some things that I just will not purchase. Like, I love getting them in boxes because they're just out of my budget. Like, I am not spending $100 and some on that. I mean, if it was a massive tub, maybe. But that's... And you only need a little bit. Like, you saw the little bit I had on my hand. That would probably cover your whole face. Like, just dab and then just rub it in. I still can smell a little something, but it's going away. Like, it's not prevalent, which is good because when it's over-scented for my face, I can't do it. It's just too much. And that's my Boxycharm box for December. I'm happy with everything in here. Like I said, the only thing I do remember was the Professionals and then the Beauty Boost, and obviously the palette, because I knew I was going to, if I got one in PR, that I would keep one, and I knew I chose one and I would share one. So I will always pick a palette if I can. I think I did choose the LYS palette for, I think it was a 9-pan palette for my IPSY Glam Bag for January. So don't forget, you know, you have to make your choice. Choice was on Monday. Today's Tuesday. So choice was yesterday. So if you didn't choose, if you forgot all about it, go ahead and choose today. And I chose the, you know, the palette in both my bags. This way I'll keep one and give one. I love sharing eyeshadow palettes. So let me know your thoughts on this. Did you get your Boxycharm yet? Are you happy with it? Not happy with it? I love it. You know, $2 price increase. Is it the end of the world? No. I just don't understand how some boxes can maintain their price throughout time and a large company like this cannot. To me, that, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on that one too. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.